I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stripping the bed and washing all removable fabrics to prevent resoiling the mattress. Once those are in the laundry, vacuum the whole surface using the upholstery attachment, moving slowly with 0.5 1-inch overlap so you lift dust and dust mites properly. If you see stains, apply an enzyme cleaner or a mild detergent solution sparingly. Let it sit a few minutes to break down soils. Make sure to blot, not rub, so you don't push stains deeper. Next, deodorize and draw out moisture by sprinkling a 1/4 1/2-inch layer of baking soda evenly over the mattress. If you want a fresh scent, add 1 teaspoon of essential oil per cup of baking soda. Let this sit for 20-60 minutes depending on odor severity, so the powder can absorb smells and residual moisture. Once done, use a soft brush to loosen it and vacuum with the upholstery tool systematically. Make sure to vacuum all sides and edges to remove every granule. Finish by drying the mattress completely. Position in indirect sun or run a fan for 2 to 6 hours to eliminate residual moisture, because incomplete drying leads to mold. Once dry, put on a clean mattress protector and bedding, and rotate or flip the mattress according to the manufacturer's guidance to extend life. If you notice persistent odors, deep stains that won't lift, or any mold growth, stop and isolate the mattress. Call a professional cleaner or remediation service to avoid health risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.